Hi there! Let's create a multi-cavity runner system in Inspire Mold. We'll start with a simple model. Before you create a runner system, you need to designate the molding part and the mold opening direction. The default material is fine for this demonstration. Now let's create the runner system. You can place a gate first if you want to, but we'll go straight to the runner system today. In the micro dialog, you can define the number of cavities for the mold, and choose between rectangular or circular cross-sections for the runner. When you select the injection point, Mold will automatically create a runner system for you. You can still edit the runner system if you need to. You can select the gates, runners, or sprue to open a micro dialog and change their dimensions. You can edit the number of cavities. You can change the runner's cross-section. You can even move the injection point. When you're happy with your runner system setup, exit the runner tool and continue with your project. You can always double-click any part of the runner system to modify it again if you need to. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your Altair products.